Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. New hair. Who is this? Who is this? My hair is short, it has the fresh cut, but my hair is super old. It's already been like maybe 3 weeks since I originally got my hair cut. If you haven't seen that vlog yet, it should be out already. But yeah, this is how I styled my hair when it was getting a little old, and I just wanted to try like something new, something cute. And I'm not gonna lie, I have gotten it to look better than this, but like I said, my hair is really old and ready to be washed. But I tried to recreate the look that I've been doing lately, and I love it. So let's get into it. Let's get into how I did this style. Hopefully tomorrow looks a little bit better. Like I said, when it gets older and messier, the more I like it. So let's just hop into the video. I'm starting off on a very old silk press. This is the perfect style to extend your straightened hair a little bit longer. But before I add any more heat to my hair, I'm going to add a heat protecting serum from Adwoa Beauty. I enjoy this product because it doesn't weigh my hair down and it protects my hair up to 375 degrees. And just like the bottle says, all you need is about 1 to 2 squirts. This is one of the reasons why I love Adwoa Beauty products, because a little bit goes a long way. The products are very concentrated. But just make sure that whatever heat protectant you choose to use, that it's not water-based. That way your hair doesn't revert. So I apply the serum all over my hair. Then I comb it through to help distribute the products evenly, because don't nobody got time for heat damage. Now onto the styling process. I section my hair off from the back where the shortest pieces are, and I clip the rest out of the way. This just helps me to stay organized and just helps the process go a lot smoother without random pieces of hair getting in the way. I'm using a 1-inch curling wand from Remington, and I set it to about 305 degrees. Then I grab a 1-inch size section of hair and I twirl it around the wand. And I hold it there for about 10 to 15 seconds, not too long. I don't want to burn my hair off. And then I gently slide the hair off the wand. It's really not rocket science to do this. You just want to make sure that the wand is not too high. And if you can get the same effect of curls, nice curls, without the wand being super high in heat, then that's what you want to go for. I'm actually curious to see if I can get the same curl without it being 305 degrees. I also make sure that I alternate the direction of the pieces of hair around the wand. This helps to create more volume, since all of the curls and the waves are not going in the same direction. When I alternate each direction of the pieces of hair, this just adds more volume. I really hope that makes sense. I don't know how to explain it. It's just, you guys can pretty much see how I'm doing it here. And I repeat that process throughout my entire hair. Now comes the fun part. To get my desired messy look, I do a lot of zhuzhing, a lot of flipping my hair around. This is optional, but I find that when I spray some dry shampoo, it gives me more volume. Just keep in mind that my hair is very old at this point, so it's very dirty and weighed down. So dry shampoo just helps to soak up that oil a little bit more. And don't worry, you're not going to mess up all of your hard work. Now I apply some hairspray from Nivea. I've never used this one before. I picked it up from my local beauty supply store, and I like it because it was very affordable. It was only like $5, and the mist is very fine. It's super fine, and it gave my hair a hold without making it feel like it had some weird hard coating on it. My hair was still very, very flexible, which is pretty much all I look for in a hairspray, so I'm pretty happy with it. After much playing in it, this is pretty much the end result. Beautiful shiny waves. I also tease my roots a little bit to give more lift, because if you have fine hair, you understand the struggle of getting volume. So anyway, I hope that this video was helpful, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you have any more questions, and I will be sure to answer them down below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.